Hello everyone, today is November 16th and Annie has compiled 3 news stories for you. The first piece of news is talking about TikTok gaining ground in shaping young people's online habits. Pew Research Center conducted a survey of 8,842 American adults analyzing their news consumption habits. Meta's Facebook remains the most popular news social media platform with 30% of Americans stating they often browse news through Facebook, following are YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at 40%, ranking 4th. Notably, within a short 4 years from 2020 to 2023, the population of U.S. adults regularly obtaining news from TikTok increased nearly fourfold, from 3% in 2020 to 40% in 2023. Breaking down age groups, approximately one-third of U.S. adults under 30 now regularly get news on TikTok, while 15% of the 30 to 49 age group does the same. This trend has shown consistent growth across all age groups from 2020 to 2023. While looking at TikTok's American user base, 43% claim they frequently get news on the platform, compared to only 22% in 2020. Interestingly, the percentage of users obtaining news from TikTok equals that of Facebook, but is still lower than X, formerly Twitter, which stands at 53%. Another news is talking about China's TikTok testing paid short videos. There is a growing focus on China's TikTok testing paid short videos. Journalists attempting to post videos on TikTok discovered a new feature for paid videos. The feature requires a minimum of 100,000 followers, and the platform may take a 30% cut. The last but not the least, the news talking about Shein's IPO preparation and impressive growth. Shein, preparing for a potential IPO in the US with an estimated valuation of up to $90 billion, is currently valued at $66 billion. The company has received support from investment firms. Reports suggest that Shein's revenue surged over 40% year-over-year, reaching $24 billion in the first 9 months of the year. This growth surpasses competitors like H&M and is poised to outpace Zara. Insiders predict that Shein is likely to achieve a 40% growth in annual sales by the end of 2023, with revenue reaching $32 to $33 billion. Shein's rapid expansion poses a potential threat to e-commerce giant Amazon, whose online store sales grew only by 4% from January to September. The upcoming Black Friday promotions are seen as a crucial moment that could impact Shein's performance guidance for next year and its IPO plans. So that's all for today, and we will bring you more information tomorrow. Bye!